In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report scams on eBay. Navigating online marketplaces can be daunting, especially when you suspect fraudulent activity. But worry not, because by the end of this guide, you'll be equipped to handle any suspicious situations you may encounter on eBay. First things first, open up your internet browser and head over to ebay.com. This might seem straightforward, but making sure you're on the official website is crucial to protect your personal data. Now, once you've made your way to eBay, the next step is to locate the item you believe could be part of a scam. This requires browsing through your purchase history or saved items. It's much easier if you have a specific item in mind. Remember, the clearer you are in identifying the suspicious item, the more efficiently you can address the issue. After selecting the item in question, you'll need to click on it to open the specific product page. This step is essential to get to the seller's details, which is crucial for reporting purposes. On the items page, look just under the seller's name and click on Contact Seller. This is an important action because it brings you directly into the seller's communication portal on eBay. You're now in the seller's communication section. Here, keep an eye out for a three-dot icon, typically representing more options. Click on these three dots for additional choices related to your message or interaction with the seller. Upon clicking the three dots, you'll find an option labeled Report Message. This is your gateway to flagging potentially fraudulent activity. Selecting this will direct you to a form or window where you can lodge your complaint. Within this window, you'll be prompted to describe the nature of the message or item you suspect to be a scam. Specifically, you will click on the option labeled Scam to indicate the problem. Once you have done this, double-check that you've selected the correct category. Clarity is key here. It helps eBay process and address your report with greater efficiency. Finally, to send your report, click on Send. This action forwards your report to eBay's support team, who will then investigate the issue. You've now done your part, contributing to a safer eBay community by helping remove potentially fraudulent listings. Remember, reporting scams not only protects you, but also aids others who might unknowingly fall victim to similar deceit. By following these steps, you're actively participating in keeping eBay a secure marketplace. Thanks for joining us, and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions or if you need further guidance.